Welcome back to DIY with Andy and Candy, and today we're going to talk about circular saws.
When you need to make a lot of cuts in your next DIY project, the Circ Saw can save you a lot of time. Plus, this one's cordless, so you can actually take it with you to your job, whether it's in the backyard or in the shed. And the good thing is, you can use a Circ Saw on most projects. So today, we're going to give you some great tips to get started.
Clamp your workpiece securely so you've got both hands to control the tool, one on the rear handle and the other on the front handle.
Do a practice run without the battery to see where you'll be taking the tool to achieve your cut. Check how your stance or clamping may need to change to get the cut done. Let the tool do the work. Maintain a bit of pressure forward, but keep that base plate level. Let the blade cut through that timber, but don't force it.
When cutting is interrupted, don't restart the tool in the middle of the project. Move the blade back from the cut. Restart the tool and allow the blade to reach steady speed before slowly resuming the cut. There's a few smart things going on here while using the circular saw. And the first is the battery. If you're using the saw and it cuts out, this could be the battery telling you that you're pushing too hard, or the timber size is too thick, or maybe it's just the battery's flat. And the second is you. Even though you've got earmuffs on, listen to the saw carefully. And if the pitch gets lower, you could be pushing the saw too hard or twisting inside the cut. Use a straight cut guide to help you track your cut along a straight edge. When using one, maintain a small amount of pressure sideways while cutting.
So basically, you can pretty much use anything as a straight cut guide.
Yeah, exactly. As long as it's thin, long and straight enough, you can use it as a straight cut guide, like a long piece of timber. Just remember to clamp it. And one of my favourites for short cross cutting is the rafter square.
To get an even smoother finish, you can use blades like this one with a few more teeth. But remember, you will need to push the saw a lot slower through the cut. This will ensure a much cleaner finish with less tear out or splintering. Now that you've got some great tips for the Circ Saw, make sure that you give it a go on your next DIY project. And like and subscribe to our Ozito YouTube channel for more videos like this one. See you soon.